Ever wondered why some people seem to have their financial life in order while others are just scraping by? It's a question that many of us have asked at some point in our lives. The answer, more often than not, lies in understanding and managing personal finance. Personal finance, in essence, is the science of handling money. It's about earning, spending, saving, and investing. It's a vital aspect that affects almost every part of our lives, from the daily choices we make to the long-term goals we strive towards. Now, there's a common misconception that personal finance is only about saving money, living frugally, or cutting coupons. But that's just one piece of the puzzle. It's not just about saving every penny and leading a Spartan lifestyle. It's about making the right financial decisions that can help secure a stable and comfortable future for you and your loved ones. Imagine being able to make choices not based on financial constraints but on what truly brings you joy and fulfillment. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing you have a safety net if something unexpected happens. Imagine the freedom of being able to pursue your passions without the burden of financial stress. That's the power of mastering personal finance. It's about understanding how to make your money work for you rather than the other way around. It's about creating a budget that allows for both practical necessities and the joys of life. It's about planning for the future, whether that's buying a home, starting a family, or retiring comfortably. And yes, it's also about being prepared for the unexpected because life, as we all know, has a knack for throwing curveballs our way. So, why does personal finance matter? Because it's the key to financial security and freedom. It's the tool that allows you to take control of your financial future rather than letting it control you. It's the foundation upon which you can build a life of prosperity, stability, and peace of mind. Mastering the basics of personal finance paves the way for financial security and freedom. The first step to mastering personal finance is understanding your income. But what exactly does that mean? Well, income is the money that you earn. It's the paycheck from your job, the dividends from your investments, the rental income from your property. It's the money that you bring home. Now, there are two types of income: gross income and net income. Gross income is your total earnings before any deductions like taxes or insurance premiums. On the other hand, net income is what you're left with after those deductions. It's the money that you actually have available to spend. It's vital to know where every dollar of your income comes from. This knowledge gives you a clear picture of your financial health and helps you make informed decisions about spending, saving, and investing. So, take the time to scrutinize your income down to the last cent. Knowing your income to the last cent is the first step towards financial literacy. Now that you understand your income, it's time to create a budget. A budget is more than just a list of numbers. It's a roadmap, guiding you on the journey to financial success. It's a tool, a strategy, a way of life. It's your financial game plan, setting out where your money comes from and where it goes. At its core, a budget has three basic components: income, expenses, and savings. Income is the money you earn, the fuel that powers your financial engine. Expenses are the money you spend, the costs of living your life. And savings? Well, savings are your future. Let's dig a little deeper. Your income includes all the money you earn from your job, any side hustles, and any investments. It's the total amount of money you have coming in every month. Your expenses are everything you spend money on, from your rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, to your morning coffee, and even those impulse purchases of shoes you just had to have. It's important to be honest and thorough when listing your expenses, because every dollar counts. And then there's savings. Savings are what's left after you subtract your expenses from your income. This is the money you set aside for the future, whether it's for an emergency fund, a vacation, retirement, or a down payment on a house. The beauty of a budget is that it gives you control. It allows you to see exactly where your money is going and where you might be able to cut back. It helps you prioritize your spending so you can focus on what's really important to you. And it can help you reach your financial goals, whether that's paying off debt, saving for a big purchase, or just having a little peace of mind. But a budget isn't just about restriction, it's about freedom. The freedom to make informed decisions, to live within your means, and to build a secure financial future. A well-planned budget is the blueprint of your financial success. With a budget in place, the next steps are saving and investing. Imagine your financial journey as a ship sailing through the sea. While the budget acts as your compass, guiding your financial decisions, saving and investing stand as the twin pillars that keep your ship afloat. They are the two key elements that will help you reach the shores of financial independence. Let's start with saving. It's the process of setting aside a portion of your income for future use. Think of it as your financial safety net. When life throws unexpected punches like a job loss, a health crisis, or an unforeseen expense, your savings can take the blow. It's also the fund you tap into for planned future goals like buying a house, going on a dream vacation, or even retiring comfortably. But while saving is crucial, it's not enough to just store your money away. This is where investing comes in. Investing is the act of putting your money to work. It's about using your savings to generate more wealth. Whether it's stocks, bonds, real estate, or starting a business, investing allows your money to grow over time. It's the key to building substantial wealth that can not only support your lifestyle but also help you achieve bigger financial goals. Now you might ask, why do I need both? Can't I just save or just invest? Here's the thing. Saving and investing serve different purposes, and both are important. Saving provides immediate financial security. It's liquid, meaning you can access it anytime, but it doesn't grow much over time. On the other hand, investing offers the potential for higher returns, but it comes with risks, and it's not as readily accessible as savings. In essence, saving is about preserving your money, while investing is about growing it. Like two sides of the same coin, they complement each other. So, as you navigate through your financial journey, remember this. Saving provides financial security while investing builds wealth. They are the twin pillars of a healthy financial life. And with these twin pillars firmly in place, you're well on your way to a prosperous financial future. Debt can be a tool, but it can also be a trap. Understanding debt management is crucial for financial freedom. As we navigate our financial journey, we often encounter debt. It's like a rickety bridge we must cross to reach our financial goals. But what is debt really? Simply put, debt is money borrowed that must be repaid, usually with interest. It's like a temporary loan from your future self. Now, debt isn't inherently evil. In fact, there are two types of debt, good and bad. Let's start with the good one. Good debt is an investment that will grow in value or generate long-term income. Think of it as a seed you plant today for a bountiful harvest tomorrow. Examples include mortgages, student loans, and business loans. These debts can lead to increased wealth or income over time. On the other side of the coin is bad debt. This is debt incurred to purchase things that quickly lose their value and do not generate long-term income. It's like buying a shiny new car that depreciates the moment you drive off the lot. Credit card debt, payday loans, and car loans are typically considered bad debt. They can drain your resources without offering any substantial return. So how can we manage and reduce our debts? Here are a few strategies. First, prioritize paying off high-interest debts. These are usually bad debts that can quickly grow if not addressed. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill getting bigger and faster. Stop it before it becomes an avalanche. Second, consolidate your debts if possible. This can simplify your payments and potentially reduce the interest rate. Third, create a budget and stick to it. It's like a financial roadmap that guides your spending and saving decisions. This can help you avoid unnecessary debt and stay on track towards financial freedom. Lastly, consider seeking professional help if you're overwhelmed. Financial advisors can provide valuable advice and strategies tailored to your specific situation. Remember, the goal is not to completely avoid debt, but to understand and manage it effectively. Proper debt management can open the door to financial freedom. In this video, we've covered the basics of personal finance. We started by understanding the importance of personal finance and how it can help shape our financial future. We then delved into the crux of our earnings, peeling back the layers of our income to fully comprehend how and where our money comes from. From there, we crafted a blueprint for personal finance, highlighting the significance of budgeting. Remember, a well-planned budget can be your best friend in managing your finances and achieving your financial goals. We also underscored the twin pillars of wealth, saving and investing. These aren't just about growing your wealth, they're about securing your future. We discussed the importance of managing debt effectively, reminding you that while debt can be a useful tool, it must be handled with care. Mastering these basics will put you on the path to financial stability and freedom. Remember, personal finance is not about the money, it's about freedom and peace of mind. Having mastered the basics of personal finance, we hope this video has been insightful and valuable to your financial journey. Remember, knowledge is power, and understanding how to manage your money effectively is the first step towards achieving financial freedom. If you found this video helpful and want to continue learning with us, consider hitting the subscribe button. Your support helps us create more content like this. If you found this information useful, show us some love by hitting the thumbs up button. It's your journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to keep expanding your financial knowledge. After all, the journey to financial freedom is not a sprint, but a marathon.